Alright, this is the Novak 22, and I'm back with Gundam Exia Repair 2. And this is it in Repair 2 mode. The first part wasn't showing it in Exia, normal Exia, but this is the actual Exia Repair 2. And it's hard to tell, but there's some new armor pieces on it. The legs are going to stay the same. If you notice right here, there's new holders which carry beam sabers. And here it's the burst mode GN drive now. If you notice now it has boosters on the shoulders instead of having beam sabers attached. And then there's thrusters now. The back skirt panel is a different piece too. And now it's just thrusters. And now it has the GN sword Kai. It's not 3, it's a Kai. I know a lot of people get that wrong. They always call it 3, but it's actually the GN sword Kai. Articulation is still the same, so I'm not doing articulation except for one thing. I'm going to show you. So legs here. See that? There's a pivot joint in here. So you can, that's pretty much the only extra articulation. Um, there's this. There's this chain sword. So, that's pretty cool. He does still come with other accessories, like, besides GN Sword Kai. You got, like I was showing earlier, comes with the normal GM blade, which I might detail a little bit. There's his shield. Comes with the beam sabers. Comes with the stupid all white beam saber. So if you want like the other beam sabers, you have to get the O Gundam, which I was thinking of getting next time. Eventually, when I get money, you get clear beams with him. Because I only uses one beam saber in the show, so the other beam goes to extra. This is GM Longsword, which I have detailed. Gray, and then just put some black on it. Here's his short sword. It's nice. Comes with a open palm. And it's hard to tell, but actually another one, but it's not noted. Is that he has submachine guns in his forearms. So if you look over here, this sticker. So the sticker just shows that it's GN submachine gun under his hand. That was for close quarters. So he is. That's it for weapons, and I think that's gonna do it for this review. Look on for as soon as I build these two kits, I'll do some reviews on them. So see you guys.